Ooh, AN94. Whoa, what am I doing? Damn. Oh, peekaboo, motherfucker. Peekaboo. Oh, checking around. Oh, kinda lagging. Whoa, why am I lagging? Oh, jumping. Fuck. Ah, found you, bitch. Can't hide from me. I am the law. Oh, snipers need to know when to back down. Headshot. Bloodthirsty. Care package. Oh, look at that gun. Oh, reload that. Fuck. Oh, damn it. Look how long that runway is. Jesus. You can take it. I don't want it. What, you don't want it? Alright, fine. Fine, I'll take it. No one to back down. No one to back down. Oh, same with you. Sit down. Oh. Ah, bitch. Ah, 3 in a row. Three headshots in a row. Sit down. Oh, no. Aw. Package. Hunter killer. UAV. Scorpion. What am I calling my UAV? Come on, call me. Thank you. Ah, Hellstorm. Sit down, you bitch. Oh, I see you. Can't hide. Oh, can I get... damn it, only one. Got the UAV because of it. Can't kill my friend and get away with it. No. Oh, parkour. Nice. Peekaboo, bitch. Same with you. And I know there's a guy around here. Huh? See? Hit marker. Sit down. Peekaboo. No one to back down. Damn it. Silent snipers. Ooh. Oh God. Heck yeah. Got a VTOL. That runway's too long, Activision. The first time in a VTOL for a long time, so sorry about the bad accuracy. Oh. Damn. Why the hell is it buffering? And that's the end.